for Potty. Sesame Street. Today, Elmo and his mommy are babysitting for Elmo's little cousin, Albie and baby Jojo. Elmo and Albie are busy playing. Jojo is fussing. It might be time for a diaper change, little Jojo, says Elmo's mommy. I used to wear diapers like Jojo, Albie said proudly, but now I'm learning to use the potty just like you, Elmo. Oh yes, you do need a change, says Elmo's mommy. Your diaper is wet. Jojo smiles and coos as Elmo's mommy changes his diaper. I don't have to wear diapers anymore, Albie says. Hooray for Albie! Elmo cheers. That's right, Albie, Elmo's mommy says. You are wearing pull-ups now and learning to be a big boy. After lunch, Elmo says, now Elmo needs to use the potty. When he's done, he uses the toilet paper to dry himself, but just a little bit. Then he flushes the toilet and pulls up his big boy underpants. Next, Elmo washes and dries his hands. When I use the potty, I do that too, just like you, Albie says. Does Albie need to use the potty now? Asks Elmo. Albie shakes his head. I don't think so. Later, Elmo and Albie dig and build and dig some more. Come on, Albie, let's make a castle for knights and princesses, Elmo suggests. Suddenly, Albie says, whoa, I forgot to potty. Oh, that's okay, Albie, Elmo says. Sometimes accidents happen. Elmo's mommy helps Albie change into dry clothes. Elmo used to have accidents when he was learning to use the potty too. She reassures him. Later, Albie realizes he has to use the potty. I know what to do because Elmo showed me, he says. When Albie's mommy comes home, he tells her all about his day. Cousin Elmo helped me learn how to use the potty, Albie says with a big smile. Yay, Albie! Elmo cheers for his little cousin. And soon, Albie says, I'll be able to use the big potty, just like you, Elmo. Peace for Potty.